Hello students of class 9th. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Literary Classes. Students, in today's session I am going to proceed the lesson entitled as The Little Girl to the next step. In our previous sessions we had studied this lesson till paragraph number 7. Today I am proceed with paragraph number 8. So, I request you all to open your books and enjoy the study. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in a rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. Students, as you know, hours later means after some hours, 1 or 2, 3 hours. When a grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl, it means Kejia's grandmother covered Kejia in a shawl, covering of woolen shawl, and rocked her in rocking chair. You must have seen revolving chairs. That is known as a rocking chair that can turns to all directions in a circular motion. Kejia was made to sit on the rocking chair and her grandmother made her round and round to make her please. The child clung to her soft body. Kejia is in very depression mood. She is weeping, and when she gets this tinge of care, she just joins the body of her grandmother. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed in a silently yelling tone. She says to herself in mind, "Oh God, why you have made fathers?" Students, you can remark how this question is dangerous. A child, a daughter is saying to God, Almighty Father, why you have made fathers? Kejia is regretting to the Creator why you have made fathers. Here is a clean hanky, darling, blow your nose. The mother says, take this clean hanky and clean your nose. At the time of sobbing, at the time of weeping, we feel some wetness, we feel some lack of nervousness in our face, and due to that we sometimes have tears also. So, in general sense, he gives a hanky to the Kejia. Go to sleep, pet, means dear. My Kejia, go to sleep. You will forget all about in the morning. It means her mother is saying, Kejia, at the present time, you know everything. You are very worried, you are very in the mood of tension. But after some time, when you will sleep and when you will awake in the morning, you will sure forget these all incidents. So don't worry. They are the part of life. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Kejia's grandmother is saying, Kejia, dear Kejia, I tried my best to explain the reason why Kejia has made such cushion and why she has torn the pieces into many pieces and filled the cushion. But your father is not a good mood today, so he is not ready to listen. So, Kejia, you sit, you please sleep, and on the next day everything will be fine. But the child never forgot. Dear students, I would like to say you this Kejia never forgot this incident, what had happened in this lesson. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and a red color flew into her cheeks. In the next morning when Kejia sees her father, she just folds her hand back of the hands back and immediately her face becomes red due to fear, due to terrible scene, because she has this faith that my father is a terrible father. Paragraph number 9. The McDonald's lived next door. You know, when some proper nouns are put into to show any dynasty, any clan, any race, it is always used in the plural sense. The Guptaj. In that sense, the McDonald's lived next door means just after the door of Kejiya. The next neighbor was the family of McDonald's. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. What Kejiya sees that through a hole into a fence, the covering of any piece of land that you know as a fence. When she looks through a hole into the fence, that some children are playing game tag. Means a game when a child tries to catch one another, a child is running behind a child to catch him. This is the type of game you all are playing, or we must have played. In the evening, the father with the baby Mao. There was a father. 5 children are playing and there is a father. And with the baby Mao, the name of the baby is Mao. On his shoulders, one baby was on the shoulder. 2 little girls are hanging on his coat pockets. Suppose that this is the coat pockets, 2 are hanging, trying to cling, and ran round and round the flower beds. There were some flower beds and they were running and playing. Everything was in the mood of joy and zeal, pump and sow, shaking with laughter. Everyone, every child was laughing, creating noises with one another, with each other. Once he saw the boys turn the hose on him, he tried to catch them laughing all the time. When some boys, when any child catches any other, it makes a point of laughter. Everyone starts laughing. Then she decided that there were different sorts of fathers. To see this situation, their idea struck into the mind of KG. Oh, it means all fathers are not alike. All fathers are not like. Fathers are of different types. They have McDonald's family have good fathers, while I have no good father. Suddenly one day mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital. On any day, one day, the grandmother of Kejiya became ill. So she was sent to means Kejiya's mother and grandmother were sent to hospital. Grandmother was the patient and her mother was attendant. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. You know, there was a cook, her name was Alice, and Kejiya was with Alice, and you can say she was alone. That was all right in the daytime. It means when there was sun, means daytime, during the day, everything was fine. In the general sense, students, especially younger children, search their parents, especially night time. So everything was fine in the daytime. But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. It was the time to take sleep. And Alice perhaps was saying, oh, Kejiya, you should now sleep. But then the time came when Kejiya used to feel afraid, became frightened. It means at that time she must be searching her grandmother or mother. So this was the essence of paragraph number 9. Students, here one point I would like to make you clear. Where till I talk about the exercise. In the exercise, there are many points, many columns. First is thinking about the text. In thinking about the text, I personally analyze the questions. You can see the question number 2 of part 3. Kejiya decides that there are different kinds of father. What kind of father was McDonald and how he was different from Kejiya's father? In this question, it is asking that in the mind of Kejiya, it comes that there are different types of father. And what is his opinion? What is her opinions about McDonald? Students, you should try to attempt how to write answers. Imagine from your own self, you should try to write answers. because in class 9th and class 10th, if you don't try, how you will achieve your mastery over writing or explaining or expressing your ideas? So you should try. You may answer it also. And in the thinking about the language, you should also try, because vocabulary is a very important point. And when you make fair, your working must be thinking about the text first. First there should be the name of lesson, and after then the exercise, thinking about the text, and after then if there is place and you like, you may attempt thinking about the language. So this is my personal request to all of you. Please go to the exercises and try to write the answers by yourself. It may be a chance that in your writing, in writing of your answers, anyone may find wrong, anyone may find difficulties, anyone may find problems according to grammar, but it is all right. But you should try. This is necessary. It may be wrong, but it always not may be always wrong. So you should always try. With all of you, good wishes. In coming days, I will proceed to last paragraphs and continue your study. And when you feel any difficulty, go to the comment box and write your problems. Okay, thanks.